Friday, Cinco de Mayo. So I'm at the gym. Let's get this weigh-in out of the way. See where I'm at. All right, 207.6. Yeah, so it is going down. I don't know why yesterday I went up a pound. Maybe I just had some water weight or whatnot. But again, it's not very consistent because I'm eating and I'm drinking before I'm weighing in. If I can find my scale, it'd be more consistent. But we're gonna go with it. I'm just gonna do it. You know, going with it. So anyway, let's get this day taken care of at the gym. Let's do it. All right, guys, just finished on my cardio 30 minutes right before my workout, and I got my pre-workout with my creatine in it, and about to hit a arm workout. No biceps. Just laying out biceps for a long time, tendonitis. So let's do it. I'm gonna hit triceps today.
There's no alibi, 'cause I've drawn regret from the truth of 1,000 lies. So let mercy come and wash away. And wash away what I've
So pretty much the same thing I'm having yesterday, some dark Parmesan sauce on just 2 tablespoons, 2 servings. Some beans and ground turkey. And that's it. And that's right. Green beans. 2nd day in a row, baby. 2nd day in a row. So it's pretty much the same thing I had yesterday. It's real good. Got to finish up this meat. And I'm going to eat probably again half of it. And make a couple of meals out of that. So we'll see y'all later. So I am starving. I am absolutely starving. And the great thing about living in Texas is the heat. Got lots of heat, lots of sunshine. So what I like to do is, see that? That's the Quest bar right there. Been sitting in the sun for about 30 minutes on my dashboard while I've been driving around, and it is it's been sitting on my dashboard for about 30 minutes now, and it's gonna be like a warm, fresh chocolate chip cookie right out of the oven. Oh, it's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. Look at this. Look at that. Look how. Oh, look at that. It's just bending right over. So soft. Oh man, your mouths are salivating right now. Y'all are licking your lips, aren't you? I see it. You're licking your lips. You're hungry too now, aren't you? Oh, so soft. Freaking awesome. So much better than hard. Well, right off the like shelf, you know. It's like a, oh man. Chocolate chip cookie right out of the oven. Y'all want some, don't you? Do you? You want some? Come on, take a bite. Take a bite. Come on. Take a bite. Take a bite. Come on, take a bite. Guess I'm gonna have to have all the gains. I'm just messing around, guys. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys something quick and easy to do. If you want to warm it up and have something warm while you're driving, like I do. I don't have a microwave in the car. So try it out. It's so good. Summer's right around the corner, so it's gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna end the video here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see y'all tomorrow, Saturday morning, all over. Have a good night, guys.